This video is an overview of how to set up the Intex 1000 gallons per hour filter pump. The pump is intended for use with 15 and 16-foot above-ground pools. If your pool comes with an Intex saltwater system, please refer to the DVD packaged with that system for instructions. It is important to read and follow all the instructions and recommendations in your owner's manual. Failure to do so could result in injury or product damage. Do not plug the pump into the electrical outlet until you have finished setting up the pump. Do not turn on the pump unless the pool is filled with water to the proper level. Do not operate the pump when there are people in the pool. Be sure to check the filtration chart in the manual for the recommended number of hours to run your filter. You will need an electrical outlet within reach of the power cord. Use only a GFCI or RCD electrical outlet for safety. If the outlet trips the circuit repeatedly, identify the cause before using the pump. You will also need a small screwdriver or coin to tighten the screws on the stainless steel hose clamps when connecting the hoses to the pool connectors and the pump. Place the filter pump midway between the hose connectors on your pool. Position the pump as far from the pool as the hoses will allow, so it cannot be used to climb into the pool. Lay out the two hoses between the pool connectors and the pump. Attach the hose on the right of the pump to the upper filter pump connector. Using your screwdriver or coin, turn the screw to tighten the hose clamp. Then, attach the other end of this hose to the lower black pool connector. Tighten the hose clamp. Next, attach the hose on the left side of the pump to the bottom of the filter pump. Then to the upper black pool connector. Tighten the hose clamps. Check to be sure all the connectors are properly secured. Remove the filter pump cover with a counterclockwise rotation. Check that the filter cartridge is properly installed. Carefully replace the cover. It should be hand-tightened only. Using your garden hose, you may now fill your pool with water. As the pool is filling with water, make sure the legs are snug against the pool wall. Do not fill the pool beyond the sleeve seam. Make sure to follow the instructions in the manual to release air trapped in the hoses and unit. Open the air release valve at the top of the filter housing to purge air from the system. It may be helpful to gently shake the hoses to release trapped air. When water emerges from the release valve, close the valve finger tight. The pump is now primed. Plug the electric cord into the GFCI or RCD outlet to begin operation. Be sure to check the manual for the recommended number of hours to run your filter. The filter cartridge will clean effectively for about 2 weeks. At that time, check to see if it needs to be replaced. If your cartridge is dirty or brown in color, try spraying it clean with a garden hose. If it cannot be rinsed off easily, the filter should be replaced with cartridge number 29000 marked A. With proper care and maintenance, your filter system will give you years of clean, fresh water.